In a recent development, concerns have surfaced regarding the management and operations of the Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences, as highlighted by the Nyotrep Youth Council. The director of the institute, Nalin Mehta, is under scrutiny for alleged mismanagement and lack of transparency, particularly in recruitment processes for various positions. Additionally, it has been observed that there is a shortage of trained nurses and a decline in healthcare service quality under his leadership, affecting approximately 80 out of the 100 local patients seeking treatment at the hospital. As a response, the HYC, led by President Roy Kuparsundram, is demanding that the hospital adhere to the reservation policy during staff recruitment, requiring a minimum of 2 years of experience and proficiency in the local Khasi language. Furthermore, Sundram mentioned that while there are other demands to be addressed with higher authorities, there has been an agreement from the director of NEGRIMS to communicate with the Health Ministry regarding the recruitment procedures advocated by the HYC.
Hakani gasngi kat tukatit kitli kumasau santli ki points ki bangingi labu nakaliang jo kani grims kila pediang bat nginge skam bat nakaliang ka jongi ke bangingi de banle kalong ba kumba kalong menta kani grims kahap banbu renti ya ki reservation policy jong ka central government bat ke bangingi dawa na ka sarkar la ne na keyboard ba panya ya kani grims ba kunjur na ka sarkar kalong ba kani grims ka don hapo shilong kumba kalong mentahi kinong sumar ki badon hang niya po NEGRIMS prapo persen na ki di try jela na po may kahalia but arpo persen ki di try jela na ki jela jong athan sa tilamingi te komot ba khamtam e ka post nursing ka bangya kren ki badon kajing ya jan ka bayajan ba bat ki nong sha suma tingi kwa ba ki bri ki bon tray hang ni kinde ki bri ki baya sutho e khtien ka thliet te habay day ba kata ka bantaru nakaliang jong kaseng ilapan pa bangim so tanat ya kani kajingwan jong ini ki bri ki batang ban ya kren rum ya pe ki kumbau ong himentan nakaliang jongi ngin satho syaka ministry ban mau nakaliang jong uru kin satho syaka ministry ya kani jingja ka bajaman ta ya kini gibri ki bawan hang ni ki bom la ban ya suthu tang khitien kabaar kini gibri ki bapas lem ba norset kimdi ki badon ya ka practical experience ka jongki bun ki supas tang batho ya ka exam tendalawan hang ni ka dei ban ka jaka hikai ya ki kumno ban hikai ban ai inject ban ai drip kinang hap wan sha hikai hang ni tingilapan pa khmat jong director bakanir kan bu jing ma kham tam e kinong nong sha suma tinakaliang ka jong ur kubur ya kata bakani ke jingja ka bajalang bakanor set ka dei ka ka wat kan NEGRIMS su kam lamut dur ba kini ki bri ki bawan menta kin hab ban bang sha hikai biang kumnu ban ai inject tingilak keren ka ba sha yo director ba nang ni sakmat dada kile ya ka recruitment na kabana ki nursing officer kidai banbu ya kawe ka kendon kata kalong ba ki bathep yang ne kam kidai bandai ki BSc nursing ba kajuk kopor kidai bandai ki baladon experience om dunaya ka arsnem tiladangi yo kum kata ka experience ba kandai kawe ni ki kendon ban thep kam kum ginas komut ngin sayo ri ki bri ki jongi bat kum juru ngin sayo ki bri ki ba ki bala ban suma ti kita ki ya kabangi layakren bat new director menta kasngi bat ngi nang ni syahmat kaseng kan yai budin ya ki wei pat ki bentaban penting kena ba ki khun samla ki jongi ki try muluk ki jongi ki di ban yok kam yok jam hakani hospital ke bodon hakani ke jela ka jongi syaka ministry concern ban redeem biang kini ki post te kumba kalong mentana kaliang jo kan NEGRIMS kila dep tho kumba sau santri ki city ka ministry but nakaliang jo ka ministry kila ai ka direction ya ka NEGRIMS bahkan le ya kata ka revised guideline kumno ban pen embiang ki post ngam keren tang ya ka diet clerk ki don ki we post te kumbangi ulakula rengi ba hakani ka tayo ko ban kabansawan nakaliang jo ka NEGRIMS kan sapha ya kata ka form lani ka revised guideline syapo ka ministry but nginge scam ba kini ki pardok parastam ki jongi ki belayo e kini ki kam lemba kata ka advertisement jong kita ki abolish post lani ban redeem yang kita ki post kumba ulakula rengi menta ba kata ka list kan nang ne hi balada ki maki ki wan ha khmat bade ban yo e kani kam kin sa yo bed